Yeah, good day, everyone. My name is Toyosi Labelda. So I'm here this morning to share my experience with you once again. One of the things that I cherish so much about Canada is the healthcare system. So I'm here this morning at this medical diagnostic center. I'm here to do some tests. In fact, I'm actually here to do some ultrasound. It's part of what I get as a routine every year. So every year I do medical tests just to check that everything is fine. This is the era of public health and preventive medicine. Preventive medicine is key. I'm sure you've heard that adage that says health is wealth. So over here in Canada, every year we're able to run tests free of charge. We're able to see our doctors free of charge for just routine medical tests, and that's what I've come to do. So when I saw my doctor, he also said I should do some ultrasounds. And how many of you have done ultrasound of late? Not for anything, just for preventive medicine. Have you checked your liver? Have you checked your kidney? Have you checked all your internal organs to see whether they're functioning well? Preventive says check all these things on time. So if there's anything, they can catch it early and they can treat it. That's it. That's preventive medicine. Check it on time before any problem starts. So if there's anything at all, they can see it so early, and when they see it early, they can do something about it before it becomes extensive or it expands. So that's preventive medicine. So today I'm here to do ultrasounds. They're going to check my whole abdomen, my kidney, my liver. Everything will be checked. I don't have any symptom. I'm doing fine, but because I get this for free in Canada, I need to do it. So this is one of the benefits you get when you migrate to Canada, and I'm actually maximizing it. I do this every year just for preventive medicine, not that there's anything wrong, but just to check and to be sure. So I run tests, I come in for ultrasound and all the necessary tests I should do, and that's why I'm here today. So I'll keep you updated as it progresses. I'm here right now to run the test. It's going to take me like 30 minutes or thereabout, as I'm told, and I'm sure I'll come out fine. Nothing will be said, I'm sure of that, but it's still good to do it. So see you guys.
A few moments later.
Yeah, hi everyone. So today I was able to check my liver, my kidney, my gallbladder, my spleen, and all my internal organs, my pancreas too, and one or two other ones. Yeah, and this service or this health check is what I got for free. I did not have to pay for it. And one other thing I remembered was a long while ago when my wife was told to go and do an x-ray or ultrasound when we were back home in Nigeria. I knew the stress we went through to get this done at one of the big hospitals in Ibadan, Nigeria. We got so annoyed that we had to tell them that can we go and do this test outside, and they actually mentioned only one place, somewhere around Total Garden, that we can go for that test, and we actually went there because of the delay and bureaucracies that was in that hospital. We went to that private setup and we had to get there early. We met a long queue. It was just, well, at the end of the day it was fine, but we paid for it. We had to pay for it. It was very expensive, and at the end of the day we got the results. But here I'm here now today. I was scheduled for this test today. I got here. I spent just 25 minutes here, and I'm done. I was not delayed at all. I came in. They welcomed me. They took me to a dressing room. I changed. After like 2 minutes, they took me to where I was going to do the test. And within 1 minute, the person that would see me came in and we started the test. And in 25 minutes, we're actually done. So this is one thing you get when you become a citizen or you become a permanent resident of Canada. I'm one, and I'm actually enjoying that. I want to ask you, look at where you are, where you live. Do you have access to this kind of facility? Do you have access to free tests, free ultrasound examination for your kidney, for your liver, for your spleen, and all your internal organs? When last did you have that done? How many years have you lived on Earth? How many times have you been able to do this kind of tests where you currently live. You know, do you have, if you have the resources here, you can do it. But I did this for free. I didn't have to pay for this, and I'm happy about it. And the venue I came to has one of these very good facilities, lovely facilities, you know, to carry this out, you know. So it's something that I'm enjoying, and I think you can also enjoy it. So this is one of the things you benefit when you become a permanent resident or you become a citizen of Canada. You have access to free healthcare services. You're able to get all these tests done for free, and at least that's a good thing. You know your health status. One of the things we tell people is everybody walking about you an apparently healthy individual. Yeah, apparently healthy. But when you come for this kind of test, you can confirm whether you're actually healthy. And when you confirm this on time and you get to know this on time, it helps prevent future occurrence of so many things. Because once they detect it early, it can be arrested early also. So that's one of the things we benefit from here. And I've done the test today, and I'm happy about it, and I'm good to go for the next 1 year. So if you want to benefit from this, you also want to have access to free healthcare services, you can reach out to me. I'm a licensed medical consultant in Canada, and I can actually guide you on all you need to do to get that done. My WhatsApp number is +1 587 568 6124. See you guys.